When I was a kid, I would play video games for hours upon hours. It was something I lost myself in, and there was always a wonder and excitement of taking on this new character and having these new goals and missions. I wasn't a very popular kid growing up. In fact, I had very few friends. And in addition to being unpopular, I was also very overweight, making it even harder to play sports, joining activities, and so forth. Video games were my safe place to become somebody new. It was something that brought me so much joy, but I began to give it all up when apparently life began to take precedence. My parents would always tell me, "Are you still a child? Why are you playing video games? Grow up." These words were etched into my memories for as long as I could remember, and for a long time I always felt like I had to grow up very fast and rigidly, almost as though there was a mold I had to fit. But video games taught me so much about what I can do with my life, and I didn't know how much it did until I went back and, well, began to play them again. So my hope for you in this video is maybe to gain some insight, not in just video games, but maybe something else in your life that has taught you without you realizing, and maybe something you're ignoring right now. So here are 5 things video games have taught me. The avatar. You can craft your character however you want. You can build the skills, the origin story, the personality, the habits, every single thing. And I remember spending so long creating my character, making the coolest looking character that I can think of, and be so proud of this. And just like how you can do this with your life. I like to call this the higher self. Right now, there's you. And in addition to you, there's another form called the higher self. The new you, the person you want to become. We all have it. But how often do we really pay attention to exactly how that person looks, how they act, what their habits are, and what they've gone through in order to get right here? You can begin crafting the new you at this very point in time. And it's almost like picking up a new game, and then all over again, you get to create that character. The tutorial. When was the last time you were a beginner at something? When was the last time you just felt like you were a complete noob? If video games have taught me anything, is that we're jumping levels a lot of the time, hoping that we can really, well, beat the boss without any of the work. But that's not how it works. We need to start simple. We need to start with the smallest and most mundane thing. Even if it seems hella boring, it should be so easy that we can't fail at it, because just like any tutorial, it should be enough that you're almost excited to play, well, the next part of the game. The levels and the lessons. Much like skipping levels, a video game will not let you go to the next level until you've learned some type of skill or lesson that you need to apply. And well, it's pretty much the same way for life. You'll fall over and over again on the same exact level, same exact situation. And no matter what it is, our habits don't change. If our skills don't improve, there was no way we're gonna survive the next level. And consider a test or the hardest part of the level you're on. It's designed to teach you something. The companions and elders. No journey on this are you ever alone on. And there's always way to a greater purpose. If video games have taught me anything, it's that the journey we're on needs others to teach us lessons, role models, or even elders that guide us and make it easier for us to accomplish our goal. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. And until we build upon ourselves more, until we learn the lessons we need to from the level, the companion and the elders we're seeking won't show up until we're ready or until we get to that part of the game. The boss level. The boss level is different for everyone, but for most, the boss level itself is you. How often are we holding ourselves back, standing in our own way, self-sabotaging, and providing that voice in our head that we can't do it more and more nourishment until it becomes our internal dialogue? We're constantly feeding this other person in our head over and over again. I've learned that when it comes to any boss level, the key is to understand the habits, the patterns, and the consistency needed until the challenge can be broken. And really, that applies to your life as well as what you do in a video game. There's always a pattern. There's always a strategy to get past the boss. But if we're always doing the same thing that got us there in the first place, never will we get to or move past the point in which we're stuck. Never are we going to get to the next level. Now, maybe video games aren't your thing. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you. I believe we're shamed for the things we love as a kid. And sometimes we build apprehensions and these resentments towards them without even realizing it. And we also avoid them together too. And really depriving ourselves of anything that gives us that joy and excitement we once had as a kid. I can't count the number of times I would resent the younger me. Think of how much time I wasted and really began shaming myself for all the things I did, even though it brought me so much joy. External speech really becomes becomes internal dialogue. And even if video games aren't your thing, I encourage you to really look at the things you enjoyed when you were young. They'll give you clues and insights, and sometimes things you never even realized were there to begin with. If you'd like more information on how to break through plateaus and, well, begin creating infinite energy for yourself and your business, check out my Infinite Energy course, where I give all of the things that create and generate energy for you to fuel your life. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video or have learned something from it, be sure to subscribe and or send this to a friend who needs to hear it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.